around and listen, I have a story here for you about the things that Pokey and his friends all like to do. Saggy Baggy, Elephant, and Scuffy have one too. Stories that have all come true. Sit and listen carefully, and I will begin. This story belongs to you. Ever shared a dream with someone? Saggy is about to discover that helping someone else's dream come true can be the best fun of all.
Sorry, I guess I wasn't watching where I was snoring. Sounds like someone needs help. Hello? Is anybody there? Oops. Hiya.
I'm Maxine, and that was marvelous, stupendous. I've never seen anything like it.
Thanks.
It's obvious that fate has dropped you into my life.
I wish fate had picked a softer place for me to land.
I'd just about given up hope that you'd ever arrive.
Well, I'm here. What now?
You're going to be my star.
Me? A star? This I have to see.
Not that, huh? Can't you just see the lights, the colors, the acrobatic amazements? I've been preparing all my life for this, and now, thanks to you, I can finally do it.
Do what, Maxine?
Why, be the ringmaster of a circus.
But you're a girl.
Is there something wrong with a girl being the ringmaster of a circus?
Of course not. I think it's great. But isn't it kind of hard to grow a mustache?
Don't worry, Saggy Baggy. I'll worry about the mustache. You concentrate on being a star.
I love that word.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only daredevil elephant in the jungle, Saggy Baggy the Magnificent!
That didn't work so well.
Never mind. Get ready for the next act. And now, ladies and gents, it's time for the acrobatic machinations of Saggy the Splendiferous! Go, Saggy, go! We're cooking now! And now, on the high wire, Saggy the Fearless!
Uh-oh.
And now, for the final thrilling act of the evening, Saggy, the daring young elephant on the flying trapeze!
So much for being a star.
Oh, Saggy, you were wonderful! You actually brought the house down!
The ladies and gentlemen didn't seem to think so, Maxine. They didn't make a sound. And hadn't we better help get the tent off them?
What ladies and gentlemen? I didn't need any ladies and gentlemen. This was my dream, and you made it come true.
You mean no one saw us?
I saw you, Saggy, and you were a star.
So Saggy Baggy realized that being a star in your own life is just as important as shining brightly in someone else's.